Go as far as you can see. When you get there, you'll be able to see farther. If you have to ask how much it costs, you can't afford it. When you expect things to happen, strangely enough, they do happen. A man always has two reasons for doing anything, a good reason and a real reason. Let us be like the man of the frontier and always reveal with utmost honesty our real reasons for all that we do. No problem can be solved until it is reduced to some simple form. The changing of a vague difficulty into a specific, concrete form is a very essential element in thinking. Giving debt relief to people that really need it, that's what foreclosure is. Anyone can be a millionaire, but to become a billionaire you need an astrologer. Money equals business, which equals power, all of which come from character and trust. Gold is money. Everything else is credit. Anyone who has to ask about the annual upkeep of a yacht can't afford one. Let every lion do his duty. When a shoe shiner takes an interest in stocks, he needs to leave the market immediately. When a man abuses his power, he loses it. You can't pick cherries with your back to the tree. Congress should know how to levy taxes, and if it doesn't know how to collect them, then a man is a fool to pay the taxes. You are affluent when you buy what you want, do what you wish, and don't give a thought to what it costs. When asked what the stock market will do, it will fluctuate. Millionaires don't have astrologers, billionaires do. Anybody has a right to evade taxes if he can get away with it. No citizen has a moral obligation to assist in maintaining his government. It was not really a question of price. It was a question of success. I feel bound in honor when I reorganize a property and am morally responsible for its management, to protect it, and I generally do protect it. My first guess is sometimes right. My second never is. The wise man bridges the gap by laying out the path by means of which he can get from where he is to where he wants to go. The first thing, in credit, is character, before money or anything else. Money cannot buy it. Nothing so undermines your financial judgment as the sight of your neighbor getting rich. When I have business on hand, I think it is better to have it done quickly. The first step towards getting somewhere is to decide that you are not going to stay where you are.